What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to walk you guys through a couple different things that you may or may not know for how to, utilize all the different functions and features of your truck. So this is a 2020 Ford F-150 XLT. I've got my center console shifter as opposed to a column shifter, but I'll go over a few differences in both of them. So first things first, let's show you guys how to select the drive mode in this truck. So this truck has a couple different drive modes. I believe there's 5. And in order to switch from normal to all the other ones on your center console shifter right here, there's a button at the very bottom that says DM right there. And that's how you will select your drive mode. So you can just press it like that, and then it'll bring that up. You can go from normal, tow haul, snow wet, eco mode, and sport mode. And you don't have to actually press like an OK button to select it. As you can see, I just left it on sport mode, and then it automatically selected sport mode for the driving. If you guys are towing or just want to see in general whatever gear you're in at any given time, there's a really easy way to do that. So go ahead, your truck does have to be in drive in order to do this. So as you can see, I cannot see any gears right here, but what you'll do is you'll select the plus button on your shifter, and that will bring up all 10 gears on your heads-up display right here. Now, say you don't want all 10 gears displayed at any given time, say you only want it through, 7, just press the minus button, simple addition subtraction, and you can take away 10, 9, 8, and leave it at 7. Say you don't want these guys at all. When you've got all 10 gears displayed, press the plus button, boom, all of them go away. Press the plus button again, boom, you bring them all back up. So that is how you select all the different gears and everything right there. If you guys want to do, actually let's go ahead and bring it back into normal mode. We don't need to be in sport mode while we're just sitting still. So there's that. In order to change your gauge from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, press the OK button right here. Bam. And there's that. Press it again, brings it back to miles per hour. Now, a really cool thing that I want to show you guys, so I've turned the truck off, as you can see. So what you guys need to do, if you have not already, is you need to download the Ford app. Now, I've already got my truck set up right here, but I want to show you guys, as long as you are anywhere in the country where you have, you don't have to be close to your vehicle in order to do this. So I can press and hold, and I can lock my truck. I just locked it. Wait for it to show that I've done it. Boom, just locked the vehicle. I love doing this. I live in a really hot climate, so I like for my truck to be really cooled down by the time I get to it. But if you guys live up north or something like that and you guys want it to be nice and warm, again, you don't have to be within a certain distance of your truck. As long as you have service on your or Wi-Fi on your phone, you can start or turn off your car from anywhere with this app. This is something that the salesman showed me at the dealership, and I thought it was awesome. So there's just a couple different things that I didn't know that I had to figure out on my own for how to, utilize my truck and really get the most out of it. So once you just hop in your truck, boom, just like that. So if you guys have any questions about how to do something or how to work a certain thing in this truck that I didn't go over in this video, please leave in the comments below. I'll either make a video showing how to do it, or I'll just reply immediately to your comment showing you guys, or telling you rather, how to do it. So thank you for watching, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video.